Today I'm here with to speak about interactive live sessions, especially for 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB students. Many of the students have been confused about their LLB examinations, how to prepare for the LLB examinations, and how to prepare their notes, how to write case laws, how to write illustrations, how to do methodology in the KSLU examinations, university examinations. They have many confusions. Okay. Today I'm going to clarify all the your doubts and clarification. You can seek any clarification regarding 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB under Karnataka State Law University, Hubli. This is the interactive sessions. So please raise your questions so that I can able to answer your questions in English, Hindi and Kannada. And Kannada, I can speak with Kannada, English and Hindi. Any language comfortable, if you please don't hesitate to speak about. This is the very good opportunity to speak. Utilize your opportunity. Whenever get an opportunity to speak, you have to speak. This is the very good platform. You can able to improve your public speaking skills, what you call. Any advocates, any lawyers, they should have public speaking skills. Without that, it is very difficult in your future life. So if you struggle now, definitely you can able to shine up in your life. Otherwise, it is sorry to say, my dear friends, if you don't struggle now, it is very, very difficult in your future. So that is the reason I am advising to all, rise up your questions without any hesitations. This is the platform where you can able to learn the things, communications. An advocate is required very good communication, especially public speaking skills. If you go to the court, any court, High Court and Supreme Court, you are unable to speak in English, you are unable to present yourself, you will be failed. You cannot able to succeed any cases in your life. So this is the right time to learn English. This is the right time to open up your mouth, your doubts, your clarifications, any kind of it. Can you able to understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Yeah. Good. So please, you can raise your questions, your doubts.
Sir, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ವಿಜಯ್ ಅಂತ.
ಹೇಳಿ.
ಸರ್, ನಂದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ CPC ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರ್ದೆ ಸರ್. ನಾನು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು 21 ಬಂತು ನನಗೆ.
ಓಕೆ. ಓಕೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ದೆ. ರಿವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫೋಟೋ ಕಾಪಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ದೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಹಾಕಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ರಿವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು 21
ಬಂತು. ಓಕೆ
ಸರ್. ಮತ್ತೆ 6ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಕಾಪಿ ಬಂತು ಸರ್ ನಂದು.
ಓಕೆ.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 5 ಕ್ವಶನ್, 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 5 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ABC ಅಂತ AB ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್
ಹೇಳಿ. ಹಲೋ.
ಹಲೋ ಸರ್, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ, ಹೇಳಿ.
ಅದು 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ NA ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನಂದು.
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ NA ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರಿವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಇಲ್ಲ ಫೋಟೋ ಕಾಪಿ ಬಂತ?
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರಿವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂತು ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ರಿವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂತು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫೋಟೋ ಕಾಪಿ ಬಂತ?
ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ ಬಂದು ಫೋಟೋ ಕಾಪಿ ಬಂತು ಸರ್ ನನ್ಗೆ.
ಸೊ ಒಂದ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು, ನಾನು ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ನಿಮ್ದು ಫೋಟೋ ಕಾಪಿ ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಅದನ್ನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಸರ್ ತಮ್ಮ ನಂಬರ್ ಸರ್?
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 900
900
845
845
29
29
39
ಸರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್
39
39 ಸರ್.
Yeah.
ಇದನ್ನ ತಮ್ಗೆ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ದೆ ಸರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಬಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅದರಿಂದ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮಾರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನನ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಬೇಜಾರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಿಡಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 1000 ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಬೇಜಾರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಿಡಿ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಕಳ್ಸಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್, ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್ಸ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಪೇಜಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಧಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ as ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಮತ್ತೆ 1B ಮತ್ತೆ 2B ನಾನು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ NA ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್
ನೀವು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಹಲೋ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೀವು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ದಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ NA ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹಾಕೋದು, ನಾಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ. ನೀವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ
ಸರ್,
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದು. ನೀವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ NA ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಬಟ್ ಆ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ NA ಬಂದಿದೆ, 1B ಮತ್ತೆ 2Bಗೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ದಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ NA ಬರೋದು, ನಾಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ದಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್, ಆದ್ರೂ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಹ NA ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ NA ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
Okay, better you please send your answer sheet to my WhatsApp. I will verify and I will come back to you surely.
Thank you sir. Send ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್ WhatsApp.
ಖಂಡಿತ.
Okay.
Okay. Any other questions?
Sir, can I ask, sir?
Yeah, please.
Sir, my name is Rupa Devi, sir. I'm joining 3-year LLB, sir.
Okay.
I mean, it is very contrast subject, sir, to me. I mean, my subject is MSc. Some problems I have joined 3 years LLB, sir.
Okay.
So it's very difficult to. What is the case law? So what is? I mean, I don't know anything in this subject, sir.
Okay, you have already joined or?
I have already joined, sir. I mean, 26 exams is there, sir. Already. First semester.
26, they have not announced so far. They will notify the final notification. So I think probably you will have the exams in the month of May 2022. Okay. So you could have started already. If you have not started, sir, it is very difficult. Within 1 month, how you can able to study? What is the strategies you can able to study?
Yes, because, sir. But
yeah. Tell me, you please tell your all doubts. I can give very good answers from my end.
I mean, overall, this case law, sir, how to understand problems, sir. That is the main problem.
So if you like to answer your problems, you have to keenly study about your all topics. Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4 will be there, right, for every subject.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Without knowing the subject, without knowing the contents, you cannot able to solve your problems. If you study about the contents, it is very easy to solve your problem. Okay. So my advice, what you have to do is, still you have 1 month of time. You have to take have created most important questions for first year, especially your 3 years LLB, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I have created one playlist called first year, first semester, 3 years LLB, most important.
So I can't hear your
My
voice.
questions. Yeah, now can you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Now, okay, sir.
Yeah, I have created most important questions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I have prepared the most important questions. I have published in my YouTube channel.
Yes, sir. I have watched, sir, but I can't see properly that paper, sir.
Okay, what you have to do while passing your video, just click on the screen. So it will be stopped. Again, if you click on that screen again, what you will get in a JPG, like JPG format. So from there you can able to write those questions. Okay, or else if you find very difficulties, share your WhatsApp number. I can share you the photocopies of the same through scan copy. I can send it to you through WhatsApp so that you can able to prepare those questions answers. Now there is no time for you to write your notes. What you have to do is you purchase some notes or textbooks from the market. From there, what you have to do, the questions, whatever you have, my important questions, for that you have to make it page numbers. First question, characteristics of Indian Constitution. So what you have to do from there, characteristics of Indian Constitution, where the answer is finding from the textbook, you have to mention the page number for all questions, so that you can able to directly you can able to study those questions and your answers. Now there is no time for you to write your notes. So my advice to take some textbooks and anyhow I have prepared the most important question. For that questions you need to answer from the textbook. Page number you can write it from there. Page number if you write it, it is very easy for you to study. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So next semester onwards, what you have to do? Initially itself, you have to start your own notes from various sources. Even internet also will get very good answers. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
I have verified that answer, sir.
Yeah. If you in Google itself, if you write characteristics of Indian Constitution, you will get a number of answers. So that those kind of things, while verifying your answer, that should be pakka or correct. You have to compare with textbook also. So sometimes in Google, what happens? Wrong answers will be there. So wrong answers will lead.
One more thing, sir. In text, compared to textbooks and this portion, sir, it's very difficult, sir, to find out in textbook and its portion, sir. I mean, whatever they have given in portion to me, it is very difficult to search in that particular chapter, sir.
Okay. That is what my advice. If you have proper question, you can able to find out in the Google also, and you can able to find even if you take Usha Jagannath or Dr. Surya Raghav textbooks, no, you can find the answers very nicely. Compared to prescribed book reference books, you can able to find answers for each questions. There will be answers. Some short answers will be there. You have to elaborate it. Okay, anyhow, you are an English medium student. You have studied MSc. I think you don't have any issue you will get faced for writing examinations.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Yeah.
Sir, any online classes you attend? I mean, taking any online classes, sir?
No, I plan to conduct the online classes, but due to some time constraint, I am unable to do it. I will think it up and I will get back to you. Surely.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So if you have any doubts, you can able to contact with through my WhatsApp group, or else you can contact through YouTube comment box, so that I can give the best answer for you.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Right. So as per my views, my thoughts on this thing. So LLB is a little difficult course compared to other courses. It is little difficult because why? Because we have to write very systematic manner in the university examinations. It's not easy. You have to keenly study about your studies, especially all subjects. In each subject you will have 4 to 5 subjects, around 6 subjects. Some semesters have 6 subjects, some semesters have 5 subjects, some semesters have 4 subjects. So you have to concentrate in a very well manner, and you have to prepare your own notes so that you will have an idea about the topics and contents of each units. That is very important. So at least minimum 2 hours a day initially. Now today your college has started and means semester has started. Today onwards you have to study minimum 2 hours. At least till up to 4 months you have to study at least minimum 2 hours. You have to be in touch with your studies. After in 1 month is there for your examination. The KSLU has been announced the timetable. During that time, 1 month time is very precious. In that time, at least minimum 4 hours a day it's compulsory. Morning 2 hours and evening 2 hours you have to plan like that, so that you can able to concentrate. If you study full day, that no of use. So if you plan to study about morning 2 hours and evening 2 hours, that is very easy for you to remember and answers, and as well you can prepare very well in the for the university examinations. So this is my advice. Many of the students, they have their own methods, but this is my own experience, my thoughts I am sharing with you all. Yeah. You can raise your questions. This is interactive sessions. This is not YouTube. Nowhere connected.
Sir,
dispute. Yeah.
Sir, I would like to ask you one question.
Yeah.
In the questions they asked, they are very tricky. They ask sometimes about essentials. They ask sometimes characteristics, and based on the laid down cases you write. So can you brief about that? Because it's find some difficulties as a beginner.
Yes. Of course. You see, essentials are different, characters are different, rules are different. There are, you will get tricky questions like that from the university exams. So that is the reason what you have to do is, if you prepare at least minimum 5 years of previous question papers. If you prepare 5 years of previous question papers, if you some people what they do, they skip the chapters in the topics, means in first unit they skip only half of the topics they study. Don't do like that. So whether it could be sometimes cover 45 75% of the topic, sometimes it could be 50% of the topic. Please refer previous years of question papers. 5 years I'm talking about. At least if you refer 5 years of previous question papers, all questions, whatever it is there, the same only will be get repeated. There is no tricky they make from the Karnataka State Law University. So my experience and my views and my thoughts I'm sharing. So if you prepare all 5 years question papers without any leaving the questions, please don't leave the questions. Pakka 5 years question papers you have to prepare for an answers. If you do like that, you will have a choice. In one unit, the present pattern it could be like this. In unit there will be a 10 marks questions and 6 marks questions. 10 marks questions will be 2 and 6 marks questions will be 2. So we'll have an option. Sometimes you may get tricky, means you can choose another question. So I hope for the previous year's question papers only they may ask the questions. So that is the reason, if you study all topics, if you study all contents, if you study all relevant as per syllabus, definitely you will going to fail. So each syllabus You have to study, you have to understand the syllabus. I'm not dealing with that syllabus. You have to understand the syllabus properly first, the objective of the subject. You have to concentrate and you have to study about the syllabus and you have to understand the syllabus. Then after understanding your syllabus, take previous years, 5 years of question papers of each questions. You have to write it down. After that, you have to verify in syllabus where it is there. That question where unit, which unit, and what is the topic behind. If you cross verify that, definitely you don't get any confusions, my dear friends. Understood?
Okay, understood very well. Thank you.
Understood,
And one more.
Yeah.
Continue, sir. Please continue.
No problem. You can ask. No problem. You can ask.
Sir, when you will let out your important question paper for first semester?
Once again, please.
For first semester, third 3-year LLB, when you are going to release the question paper as your own?
Already released, no?
Already done, huh? Okay.
Already I have released. You can, verify in my YouTube channel. There will be a playlist. From playlist, most important questions it will be there. And even I have created for first semester separately for the playlist. You will have 5 question papers. 5 subject question papers. Means most important questions I have made it. Those most important questions only, that is enough for your university examinations.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah,
thank
many of the students have got outstanding, excellent grade, very good grade. I have seen many cases. They have shared me after completing their exams. They have shared me through WhatsApp their marks cards. I was very happy to see that they have told me your important questions only I have studied. So among the important questions only they have asked in the university examinations. Many of the students have shared me. So I hope the most important question which I have prepared, that is very important. If you study those questions, that is sufficient to get outstanding or excellent grade.
Thank you very much.
So because I have all covered all units. So earlier the pattern was how 10 marks questions 5 and 6 marks question 5. They would have asked 20 questions. 10 marks questions 10 and 6 marks questions 10. Among wherever you can write, whatever you can write, you can choose it. But now it is not like that. So unit wise, you will have they will ask from the unit wise 2 questions from 10 marks, 2 questions from 6 marks. So you have to compulsorily attend 2 questions. One is 10 marks questions and one more is 6 marks question. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Yeah.
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, how will we choose the question, sir? I mean, 10 marks question. How will we choose them? Means 10 marks question, you should write five papers like that, sir.
You see, anyhow you will be study, right, for all 5 subjects.
Yes, sir.
You are going to study my important questions right now. Just assume it. You have not started so far. You will be start, right?
Okay, sir.
So all important questions you will be going to study, right? Each unit you will be going to study important questions. From there, while choosing your questions, especially while choosing your questions, unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, right? So which you know very well, you have studied, you will be going to study, and just assume that you are going to write examination tomorrow. The question paper have been issued by the invigilators. After issue by the invigilators, what you will do? You will go through all questions, right? 1 or 2 minutes, you will go through all questions, 80 marks questions, right?
Yes, sir.
Did you get my point? what I'm saying?
What, sir?
Yeah, did you got what I've told right now? You just assume it. Your invigilator has given the question paper today.
Okay.
Today you are going to write examinations. Okay.
Okay.
So I have issued a question paper for Constitution Law 1. Your first semester, right? Constitution Law 1. I have issued the paper. So from Constitution Law 1, what you will do is you will go through Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4, Unit 5. Okay.
Okay, sir.
From Unit 1, you will have 4 questions. Two is 10 marks.
10 marks question.
2 is 6 marks question. Okay. So like that, all units has. Second unit also same. Third unit also same. Fourth unit also same.
Same pattern.
Yeah. Fifth unit also same. Right. So from there, which you know very well. Sometimes you may know very well your answer in 5th unit. 5th unit, you know very well 10 marks questions. You used to always write 10 marks question first. Don't write 6 marks question initially. First, you have to start 10 marks questions only. 10 marks you have to complete. Then after you have to start 6 marks questions. You see, university will not ask. You have to start it in unit 1 only. They don't, expect from you. They will expect only your question number. Pakka your question number. What question number they have given? Just assume it. Fifth one. A question. You have to start it. Introduction. I think. Have you gone through my YouTube channel? I have explained very well about how to write your examinations. What is the methodology to write your examination? Those kind of things I have explained already in the most videos. So have you gone through? I think you have not gone through. So that is the reason you are still have got a confusions about your LLB examinations. Please go through, in the playlist. How
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will watch and okay, sir. I will watch and.
Yeah.
Understand.
Because I can able to explain in this. First, you start which you know very well that you start. You start it and you write an answer for 10 marks question. Then after your second question, which you know something better than nothing, like what you have to write second question, and third question also write, and fourth question also write, fifth question also write. Then after you will have to choose 6 marks questions. 5 will be there for each unit. What you have to do is you have to write question number properly and you have to write the answer. That's it. So 80 marks you have to complete it within span of 3 hours of time. So my advice, 10 marks question you have to take 20 to 23 minutes. Each 10 marks questions you have to take 23 minutes, and each 10 marks you have to take only 10 minutes. So that you will left off 10 minutes of time. So from 10 minutes, what you have to do is you have to verify your registration number, you have to re-verify your college code, subject code, whatever, whether you have written or not properly. Sometimes you may missed out sections, sometimes you may missed out key points. So those kind of things, we verify it once again, revisit it, your answer paper. After that, you have to underline wherever necessary. Introduction will be there, you have to underline it for the introduction. Again, key points will be there, you have to underline it. And sometimes case laws will be there, you have to underline it. And sections, subsections, articles will be there, you have to underline it. So those kind of things you have to take care within last 10 minutes. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Understood. Okay. You go through a video,
yes, sir.
You will come to know more effectively rather than now what I have explained. Okay. Deeply I have gone there and deeply explained about the course and about how to write your LLB examination, how to utilize of your time, 3 hours of time during the LLB examination, how to prepare your notes, how to, most important questions are prepared. Though very n number of videos I've made it. You can go through it. Will come to an idea about what is the course exactly. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Then.
Hi, sir. Namaste.
Yeah.
I am
Namaste.
Srinivas from Bagalkot.
Yeah.
Sir, my question is,
Hmm.
what would be the result if I write a 10 marks question at first, then 6 marks, again 10 marks, again 6 marks?
Hmm.
What would be the
No,
result? So
nothing.
is it a good way or bad way, sir?
No, not bad way, good way. There is no bad way or good way. Whatever
Yes.
you know, first you have to write. First answer is best impression. Evaluator will see the answer, how you have presented and how you have written connected case laws,
Yes.
how you have written section, subsections, articles.
Yes.
So there are many things will be there in the LLB subjects. Okay, all
Okay.
will be count. Your introduction will be also count. Then again, meaning and definitions also will be an count. Okay, after that there will be a specific key points. So that also will be count. From key points, what you have written for the key point, elaborated the key points, whatever the contents, that also will be verified by the evaluators. So sometimes you may get bad result. Don't feel bad, because sometimes what happens, the mentality of lecturers, each individual is unique. So I am very good. I am very, favor to the students. Some lecturers will be there. They are in favor to the students. So those kind of things we cannot expect. Expects leads frustration in the KSLU. I am advising to all my dear friends. Please don't expect too much from the KSLU, because if you written well also, sometimes you may fail. So we can't expect. It doesn't mean that your caliber won't fail and your life won't fail. You will be success only. Only thing is that you have to focus. Once you get failed, nothing to worry. You have to continuously put efforts and do your level best. That is my advice.
Sir, already I got fail in the contract subject, sir.
Yeah.
Initially, they gave a 16 marks, sir.
Yeah.
See, when I went through the revaluation, again I got 28 marks.
Yes. So
So I
again,
got
you still,
totally I
yeah.
got a confusion about it, sir. See how
Yes,
the
absolutely.
valuation process going on.
Yeah. See, it's all about depending about the valuator minds. We can't bear with that. So never KSLU explained about the methodology of your answers. So they have not explained,
Yes.
and they have not given any pattern. These kind of things we required for us from the students. They never told. They never disclose any kind of patterns. So that will be a confusion. So why I have given the pattern methodology means my method. I have succeeded, so that is the reason you would like to succeed it. So if you follow this methodology, at least you will get pass and you will get score good marks. So that is my intention.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. And another doubt is clear this doubt, sir. See,
Yeah.
I have decided to write sequentially. See, first 10 marks, again for 6 marks, 10 marks, 6 marks. See, but now I have decided to write a first 10 marks question, 5
Yeah.
questions, then
Yes.
6 marks, 6 marks questions.
Yes. That is better. Why? Because you will go more concentrate on 10 marks initially. Okay, 2 hours.
Okay,
My advice, please utilize 2 hours for 10 marks question, 5. So if you would like to complete within 2 hours of time, if you can able to complete 5 questions, you will be success. So after that, you will have 6 marks questions 5. What you have to do is each 6 marks you need to take of minutes of 10 minutes each questions, so that you will complete within 50 minutes. So you will left of 10 minutes of time. Why you require 10 minutes of time? You have to revisit your answers for all answers. You have to revisit. You have to revisit your registration number, whether registration number you have written correct or not, subject code. There are many codes, college codes will be there. You have thumb impression you have put or not, or say signature you have made or not. And I told you already, please underline it. Please underline it wherever required, wherever you feel it to underline, please underline it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. See,
Okay.
and last question, mine question regarding notes, sir.
Yeah.
See, I am actually referring or reading the what Usha Jagannath Suri, sir.
Yeah.
See, if any suggestion from your side to read better or get marks, just suggest me, sir.
Okay, what is your present semester now?
So third semester, sir.
Third semester, na? Taxation law, administrative law,
Yes,
criminal
sir,
law,
yes.
criminal law too, right?
Right, sir.
So
Right, sir.
what you have to do is you can go through even internet also. Okay. From internet also, you have to research the answers. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So taxation law, you will get very good notes from internet, and even administrative law also you'll get. Even criminal procedure code also you'll get. So what you have to do is, if it is very good in Usha Jagannath, please refer that particular question Usha Jagannath only. If some question is not good at Usha Jagannath, what you have to do is research in the internet and you can get the answer from the internet. Or else you can take even Dr. Surya Regara also. That also you can take it. So wherever, so that is what your initial, it would be you are preparing of your own notes. If you prepare your own notes, you will be succeeded. Within 1 month of time, you can able to complete your all studies. So after notify your LLB examinations also, if you have proper notes, if you have very good notes at your hand, you can able to easily complete your studies. So without notes, as per my knowledge and views, you don't have what do you call? If you don't have gun, how can you face the war? Okay,
yes,
gun is very important. Your what you call ayuda in Kannada. Okay, so that is very important as per my views notes. So if your notes is well and good, you will score very good marks. So that is what my advice. Please prepare important questions. I have already. So you see, I have taken so much of efforts in my life, and I have got most important questions. I took months together to prepare your most important questions. So I have put very deeply, and I have put mind deeply. So most important questions, I have made it for you students especially. So please utilize those kind of important questions. For those important questions, even I have answers, but I should not give answers. If I give everything, if I spoon speeding everything, so what will be your contribution? You will be a future, advocate. You will be a future lawyers. You will be a future professors. So what is your contribution then? So I will tell you frankly, nobody has taught me like this. For me, when I was studying my LLB, no one has taught me, and no one has guided me, and no one I have contacted. So my own views, my own thoughts, I have put lot of efforts together. I have made most important questions. I have prepared methodology. I have prepared lot of things. I have made it for you all for better purpose for our student community. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Yeah. Raise your questions. We have 20 more minutes.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm 3 years LLB student.
Yeah.
I'm studying very well, and I prepare notes also very well. But I wrote also very well, but I can't score more in examination LLB. Please give me some tips. How can I score more in LLB examinations?
Actually, my advice, sometimes you may score less marks. You don't mind, and don't think about I've got less marks. So please don't think about it. Sometimes you may get more marks. Don't feel I'm proud. You proud. You become hero of university. No, not like that. To be honestly speaking, especially KSLU, sometimes you may get more marks. Sometimes you may get less marks. Sometimes you may get failed, even written very well. Also, I have seen many cases. So as I told you, it's the it's all depend on valuation mind of lecturers or professors. My dear friends, you have to focus. Earlier semester you have focused in something, like that. But this semester, where you went wrong, that you need to identify. Where you went wrong, where you have written not properly, and what methodology you have followed in the earlier semesters, why you have got less marks. Just reevaluate yourself. So please do your efforts. That's it. Please don't expect any results. Results will get automatically. This is the time you have to show your interest. This is the time you have to show your what do you call, you are playing here. That's it. Whether you will be win or not, that doesn't matter. So please don't expect too much from KSLU. As I told you, if you are eligible after completion of your course, that is mandatory. That is what we required. Whether you have scored very well, whether you have score less, you got marks, that doesn't matter. After completion of your course, your career starts. Then only you will your time will be start. So nowadays, if you would like to do LLM, you can get the seats. Completion of KSLU, wherever you go, world recognized university. They know very well about the university. It is not easy to pass in the KSLU easily. Many of the rank students also they have failed in the many subjects. So I have seen many cases. Though don't worry about it. Only thing is you have to play very well and each semester. This semester you have put some efforts. Next semester you put more efforts than earlier semester. So your efforts never fail, my dear friends. Your efforts never fail. I'm challenging you. Your efforts never fail. Whatever you are putting efforts, one or other day you will get the good result. So don't feel bad. You have got lesser marks. It doesn't mean that I told you won't lose your caliber or something like that. So you may get less marks. It doesn't mean that you will increase your efficiency definitely in future. Nothing to worry. Only thing is that you have to concentrate more and more what you have focused earlier. You have to more and more you have to focus for the present semesters. Okay. And right away to find about to prepare more and more good notes. Right away to prepare your most important questions. Right away to find submitting your internal marks. Your internals also very important, my dear friends. Many of the students, what they will do, internet, whatever they give, that it would be. Don't think like that. Your internal marks will leads you like boost you like anything. If you get 18 to or 19 internal marks, obviously your grade will be improved, my dear friends. And even you will have in third semester, fourth semester, and the many you will get fourth semesters onwards. Your practical subjects will be coming. From practical subject, you have to score more and more from the college level. So if you very good obedient with your lecturers, they give very good marks. If you submit in a well manner to the lecturers, they give very good internal marks. So internal marks also very good means you will get grade points more. So that is what, whereas sometimes you may less in theory marks, you may score in the internal marks. So that will be get matched. Okay, please don't neglect your internal tests, internal assignments, and internal practicals. And sometimes Viva will be there. Please don't neglect those kind of things. Okay. The next,
sir.
Yeah.
Good sir. Good evening, sir.
Very good
senior
evening.
secretary. I am senior secretary.
Okay.
More than student was a senior secretary, sir. How to write a short note exam attend, sir?
Short note?
Exam write and exam, sir.
No. You are talking about university exam or other exams?
University exam, KSLU LLB, sir.
Yeah, BLLB. What is your doubt? Exactly.
No, sir, main reason, sir, subject is very hardly, sir.
Yes, of course.
Short note and prepare exam. How to possible, sir?
There is no shortcut method to pass your LLB examination, my dear Chandraju.
Yes, sir.
You have to study hard, and you have to work hard. You have to prepare your own notes, and you have to prepare most important questions anyhow already given for you people. But just utilize it. Utilize it. Okay. Nowhere get these kind of benefits. I can challenge you. I can write it down. So nowhere get like this type of tips for you. I have given valuable tips in my YouTube channel. So this also will be uploaded to the YouTube channel, so that you whatever we have discussed here, so those kind of things will be utilized by the other students. So that is what I have planning so many things to come up for your student community. Most have prepared. I've made videos to better prospects of student community. My advice, Chandraju, there is no shortcut method.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
To pass your LLB, you have to, what I told you, initially 2 hours a day, compulsory to study, and examination time, minimum 4 hours a day, it's compulsory to study about your LLB examinations. Some students have very good IQ, some students have lesser IQ. Please don't worry, nothing to worry. Your efforts never fail. Definitely, obviously, you will get pass and you will get score marks. Only thing is that you have to concentrate. Wherever you go, just think about your subject. Memorize your answers and recall your answers. Okay.
This is Karthik, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, how are you, sir?
Thank you, sir.
I'm very fine. How about you, Karthik?
Yeah, I'm good, sir. Sir, actually, Chandra's question is how to present the 6 marks questions answer.
Okay.
Actually, he's arguing. That's why.
Okay. Thank you for making correction. Okay. So he is little weak in English communication. He is very well about Tamil. Only thing is that he has to improve. Chandraju, please improve your communication skills. Otherwise, you will be in trouble in future. Okay. You please go through English grammar. Please study about newspaper. Study about judgments. Study about summons. Many things are there. I know.
Yes, sir.
So only thing is that you have to keenly study about, and you have to learn. I am also Kannada medium student, like you. You are Tamil medium student. I am Kannada medium student. No difference at all. Only thing is that I am putting more and more efforts to increase my knowledge. So that is what I am doing, and you are not doing. Okay. If you if you come to Bangalore, you meet me, I will beat you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. I will explain. 6 marks questions. 10 marks, within 10 marks, how to write 6 marks question. That is very important. You have to write introduction 2 to 3 lines. Don't more than that. Only 2 to 3 lines introduction. Then after, if you know very well about definition, you write definition, one definition. If you know some meaning, you have to specify the meaning, 1 or 2 lines. Then after, if the question has 6 key points, if a question has 10 key points, don't write 10 key points. You will lose your time. So your 6 marks question is there, 6 key points, and you elaborate your key points. That's it. And one connected case law is required. If some subjects has case laws, some subjects do not have case laws, nothing to worry. If do not have case laws, you please connect with one illustration or example. So after that, you have to do conclusion 3 to 4 lines. That's it. Only 1.5 page to 2 pages you have to write. Within 10 minutes of time, you have to write speedily. That's it.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Actually, my problem was I prepared well, sir. Actually 2 to 3 questions in unit. I will prepare 2 to 3 questions in important questions. So some points are forgetting in writing my exam.
So what you have to do is,
yes, sir.
Many students like they're facing the same problem. My advice, at least you have to study 2 to 3 times content. Okay, that is different. But key points are there. Okay, key points you have to write, practice and writing and practice it. So without so some you have studied one question. So without seeing key points, you write it down, practice it.
Yeah, okay.
So and even whenever you sleeping and whenever you go outside, think about that question. What I've studied. So Indian Constitution characters. What are the characters? The Indian Constitution is rigid character. Indian Constitution is in federalism. Indian Constitution is like that. You have to memorize it yourself.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, actually, I prepared some books and also the YouTube channel, sir. Like Ganesh Pujari and other videos are there.
Yeah.
So if I can find some new words and new points, if I work it out, sir.
You can write it.
Yeah.
New points also you can write it. Nowhere told KSLU lecturers don't write. The expectation of lecturers is that only. New points if you write, you will get to score. The same points everyone knows, right?
Yes, sir.
If the new key points, if you write and if you elaborate those questions, that is very good, na?
Yeah,
but
they want to only the answers. Is it, sir?
Yeah, relevant answers, that too question relevant answer is required. So some question they have asked something and you have written something, you will get paid.
Yes, sir. Actually, I was followed in last semester, sir. In 10 subject I wrote. Actually, 10 subjects are cleared following that method. So
okay, very good. Very good, very good. Very good.
My little humble request to you to all who's are those attending this class. So utilize this information also, sir. You can make your video. Your videos watching everybody. So that's your you say something about the YouTube channels and the other recruitments, sir.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, sir. It will be help to all the other people.
Yes.
Sir. They can only study the study materials.
Okay, sure.
They did not want to elaborate their knowledge and the preparation.
And even some professors will be there, some lecturers will be there.
Yes,
they
sir.
see creativity of student. Okay. So they are seeing every time. So if they find different answer in a different way, they feel very happy and they can give very good marks. So you can score. Yeah, good initiative. I can elaborate and I can get explained in my videos. No problem.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, questions. You will have only few minutes of time, please. Any kind of upcoming LLB exams, they have many confusions whether they will be going to conduct on 26th or not. Nobody has asked this. Nobody has raised this question. Why kept quiet? You people are not open up your mouth. That is the main problem. Our India is facing the same problem. Everyone knows, but nobody wanted to become a hero. Nobody wanted to become a leader. Everyone readers. Please be always leader. Leader can create 100 readers. You won't depend on even anyone. You can create 100 readers and you will leave it to the society. So be always leaders. Whenever you get an opportunity, speak up. Don't hesitate. Oh, somebody will say something, somebody will laugh at something. Nothing to worry. Whether you are going to tell right or not, that doesn't matter. Whenever you open up your mouth, then only you can able to communication. Whether it could be Kannada, whether it could be Hindi, whether it could be English, whichever language you choose, that is don't mind. But open up. You are future advocates, my dear friends. Whenever you have doubts, clarify your doubts. This is free session. No need to charge anything, right?
Sir, actually, most of the people thinks about you said why don't you ask questions in 26th April in the notification? So they are thinking about that. Yes, sir. They are thinking about why can I ask the question to university? So that's way. If I get a notification, I will write an exam.
Yeah, I will tell you. I would like to bring here one important thing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Everyone knows Mr. Santosh Nandu, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Santosh Nandu, right? You know, everyone. He has protested like anything. Entire Karnataka opposed with KSLU. Okay. You know, he has cleared all subject in the second semester.
Yes, sir.
How it has happened? Because you see, nobody will behind you. Don't worry. Whatever you are asking, you have the Indian Constitution has given the rights to speak. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You are not making theft or something like that, or malpractices or something like that. You have the right to ask the question, sir, is it KSLU will be going to conduct examination on 26th? Is it possible? Like that, you have to ask what is there in that. I will tell definitely, surely I will tell no, 26th they won't be possible because already today we have 10th, right?
Yes.
So at least minimum 15 days before they have to publish the final notification.
Yeah.
You see, don't think, my dear friend, like that. Nobody will kill you, or nobody will behind you, and nobody will stop your studies. Nobody can stop you unless God stops you. Nobody can stop. Even man cannot stop you for your growth. I would like to bring in this video. Okay. Yeah, nobody can stop you. Nobody can stop your success. Nobody can stop until God. God only can stop your success. God only can, make anything in your life. Believe in your God. Believe in the God, and do it. You have to try for every day is challenging. You have to take challenges each and every day. Okay.
Yeah, definitely, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
So these kind of things you have to utilize, you have to nurture. Even I do have a lot of problem like this. So when I've gone through Indian Constitution thoroughly, I came to know what are the rights as given by the Constitution. Why can't we use it? So the same only he has utilized Mr. Santosh Nandur. Because of his Santosh Nandur, many of the things happened in the university. Grace Mask has been introduced by the university. So like that will be there. There are many things will be there. So only thing is that no, we have to do in a very good legal manner. Okay, we should not do any illegal. We have a right to speak up. That too should not hurt with anybody, or that too should not or what you call defaming or something like that. Okay,
it's our rights to ask.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, even you can call up our VC to, sir, is it possible? You can ask. That is not a problem. Many of the students have been asked directly. Will will be going to stop your studies? Will he be going to behind you? Will he going to search your where Mr. What is roll number? You can stop. You can fail. No.
Nothing
Things
possible,
like
sir.
that. Yeah, nowhere things, and even university also don't mind about those kind of things. Okay.
Those kinds of people are like that.
No, maybe each individual is unique. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Each individual is unique dynamics of human behavior. My my thinking is different. Your thinking is different. It doesn't mean that we have to follow the rules and regulations, whichever it is published in the Indian Constitution.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. I hope we can ask a few more doubts, 1 or 2 minutes. I need to close this session because I have some other work to do it. Quick questions. So need not to worry. So far, final timetable have not been announced so far. They will announce. I think this week they will be going to announce. Revaluation results have been released for even semesters. So sorry, valuations results. Main question, main answer. What do you call? Earlier month, whatever conducted even semesters, they have released the results. After that, within 3 to 4 days, university will tell to pay the fees for the revaluations exams. Again, most of the students have been failed, right? So for them, they will be going to pay the fees for revaluations or photocopy or challenging evaluations. So no need to worry. And after that, they will be notified the final timetable, which will be going to held maybe 26th, may not be 26th, but please be ready. My views and my thoughts and my own views, they may conduct in the month of May. So this is not sure, but my views and my thoughts. So please be prepared well for the upcoming LLB examination. Whichever you failed, don't feel it, and please be one more attempt, or else you can put revaluations to make it pass. So no need to worry about it. So if you failed in the examination, it doesn't mean that you have failed in your life. So failure is the step of success. Please accept it. So nothing to worry. Failure will teach you a lot of lessons in your life. Failure, it's required for anyone to keep growing. So I hope this session have been good session. We have interacted many questions and answers, interactive test sessions. I would like to be at least 2 months once I need to conduct like this, so that we'll collect the so many things which I might not having. Sometimes I may get a lot of information from you also, so I can give you my best tactics and many things what I've learned in my life. I can share it with you all. I hope this session was very good. I thinking like that. So we'll meet in the next session. Thank you very much, one and all present here. And I would like to thank to who have been presented today's webinar. I hope please do subscribe my channel more and more, so that I can give best of best videos in my YouTube channel. One and all who are all present here, very good night and have a pleasant sleep.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Your videos are also good, sir. Good information.
Yeah.
Very good work. Very good work.
So 1 year back I've started. Okay. So
Okay,
1 year back only I've started. Not 2 years, 3 years, 4 years I have not started. At least I was not able to communicate in English. I was not very much since I am a Kannada medium student, I was not having much good communication skills in English. Now I can able to speak in front of president also. How it has come? Because of practice, because of dedication, because of hard work. I do believe in that. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Audio.